Solimeter accurate, salt is the most important ingredient that determines the taste of our dish. Many times our dish don't taste better because of imbalanced amount of salt. In those situations Solimeter accurate can be a handy tool you want to have in your kitchen. This is a meter that determines the amount of the salt you added in your dish. You simply have to dip its tip in your dish and this gadget automatically scans the amount of salt present in it. If the amount of salt is low then the meter shows low index. You can add more salt after that. Similarly, if salt amount is more it shows high index and you can make it balance it by adding some water in it. If the level is balanced, it shows okay. I am sure this awesome kitchen gadget will definitely make you mom happy. If you like to have this gadget in your kitchen, go check out the link in description below. Pancake Bot. Another cool kitchen gadget is Pancake Bot. Have you ever thought of eating pancake of your own face? Have you ever wanted to eat Eiffel Tower or dinosaur? Now you can eat all those in reality. Introducing Pancake Bot. Using this device you can make your favorite design and have it in your breakfast, lunch or dinner. You simply need to create a design for your pancake via your PC and save it in SD card. Insert that SD card in SD card slot of the Pancake Bot and start to draw your design. After sometimes it completes the design and starts to cook it. And now your pancake with your own design is ready. You can even have Albert Einstein as breakfast. I am sure that you will have lots of fun in cooking with this awesome cooking bot. Orikit. Orikit is a unique set of cooking utensils. The most unique feature of it is that it's the world's first origami set. All the tools looks like flat polygonal sheets in their original shape. It is made up of soft materials that folds during use. Orikit includes 4 utensils, a funnel, a spatula, a set of measuring spoons and mini colander. Each element of the set is made of silicon and Teflon that can resist up to 260 degrees Celsius of temperature, so you should not worry for burning your utensils while working at high temperatures. Being this all set and flat in original shape, it will be easy to keep it anywhere in the kitchen with less space consumption. GAGETECH. GAGETECH is the small kitchen garden that is directly placed inside your kitchen. Due to its very small size it can be placed in any kitchen with convenience. This small-sized kitchen garden allows to plant up to 16 different plants simultaneously and therefore can fully satisfy the needs of the entire family. With this device you can grow almost all kinds of the leafy vegetables and aromatic herbs, as well as some fruits and many vegetables. The basic set of seeds consists of 9 different plants including basil, onion, mint and mini tomatoes. But it still works with other crops that can be purchased separately. You can buy this kitchen garden at about $230. Link is mentioned in the description below. Egg cooker. This is a rapid egg boiler which can boil up to 6 eggs at one time. You just need to add water in its base and plug it into electricity source, and your boiled eggs are ready within 10 minutes. You need not to change water again and again to boil another lot of eggs. This makes boiling of eggs super faster. This can be very handy gadget when you need to boil eggs in larger amount. This is small and portable. You can keep it anywhere in the kitchen. 2 space are also provided along with it for making omelets. Its outer layer is made up of insulating material and you won't feel any heat at its surface. So if you are an egg lover, get this amazing cooking gadget from the link in the description. Easy Cracker. Eggs are one of the most common item in every kitchen, and you probably know how hard it is to open eggs. Easy Cracker is the device that solves all your eggs problems at once. It neatly splits the shell in the middle with the utmost perfection, so you can avoid the unpleasant situations when the eggs open outside the pan, spilling on the table or on the stove. Easy Cracker allows you to open the egg just above the desired bowl or container, preventing you from all those unpleasant situations. It cracks the eggshell so perfectly that it does not even creates the fragments. It does not take much space and it is simple to use. It is even easy to wash. SliceX, we know every item is not easy to cut in flat cutting board. Considering this fact, SliceX is something that is designed to cut those type of items easily and quickly. This is a device to cut grapes, cherry, nuts, tomatoes, mozzarella and different berries more easily, quickly and safely. This device allows you to make perfectly even cuts, and you can cut the item placed at the device at once. This device can be easily disassembled. It takes almost no space in your kitchen. It can be easily washed too. This device is just the plastic plates connected together. This device can even be washed in dishwasher. Joseph Peeler, this is another handy kitchen gadget you want in your kitchen. It is basically a all-in-one vegetable peeler, which incorporates 3 essential styles of blade to peel almost all kind of veggies. Using this handy kitchen tool you can peel your favorite vegetable with ease and comfort. You simply have to rotate the knob until you get your desired blade to peel your favorite veggies. It is also provided with a hook that will make your potatoes get rid of those unwanted potato eyes. It is made from high-quality stainless steel. It has 3 blades which are razor sharp and are housed in a tough plastic circular case. The case can be opened for easy cleaning. Pop containers, if you want to keep different shaped container in your kitchen, then this is perfect container for you. This container comes with lots of different shapes that keeps your food and food ingredients airtight. This will be perfect for your kitchen. You can stack these container one upon another in beautiful way, and you will save your kitchen space too. This container has airtight technology which opens and closes by pushing a button on the lid of the container. This container ensures that your food is fresh. You can keep your food dry and free from foul smell. You can easily keep this container in kitchen or freezer. Also, this container is fully transparent, you can see what's inside the container, and you don't have to spend your valuable time searching for your item. Sharp shaled gloves. Sooner or later, the person working in the kitchen gets some kind of injuries. Most of them cut themselves along with vegetables due to careless knife handling. Here comes the sharp shield gloves specially made to protect the kitchen workers from cut due to knives. This is a protective gloves with optimal resistance to almost any cutting impact. Now you can safely do cutting, cleaning, grating products, as well as opening cans becomes absolutely safe. The secret of the gloves lies in the material they are made from. It is made by the combination of copper and polyethylene fibers. They are super flexible and provides you with optimum protection. Now you can cut your vegetable item with much convenience. This is it for today. I will be uploading similar videos on gadgets, technologies, and inventions regularly. Until then, subscribe to GAGETECH and turn on the notification so you will get notifications first as soon as I upload new video.